But the selfless act felt pretty miraculous, as not only was Terry willing to donate a part of her body, but they were nearly a perfect match. I actually don't know if my Nana would be here today if not for Terry. I'm telling you this story because this day to me is all about love. I believe that love comes in many forms, and Terry's actions were the purest form of love and friendship that I've ever seen. And I will forever be in awe of you. So thank you, Terry, for being the reason that my Nana is here with me today. I've had her by my side my whole life, and I'm so grateful to have her by my side today. When Terry and Nana met, they bonded over their love of the band Fleetwood Mac. This love has been passed down through the generations of our family. All of the ladies were given jaws tonight, but I have special ones here for Nana and Terry, our golden women.
Get ready.